we're going to show in this particular demo here is how to export a vStation project into Premiere Pro. So we go to our project information screen. We select the project. In this case, this is our current project. We hit Export Project, and then we have different options to select from if we want to have all these data and content sent over. When we're using Premiere, we probably want to check all these out and have everything sent over. This would be a lot of the metadata, the shot list and the edit decision list, very important because that's going to be used for creating the timelines. The project clips or the source clips, any of the program output reels that we've created, the rough cuts, and any multi-view project information and its output reels. So we now select Premiere Pro, and then we're going to browse to find out where we're going to put them. I want to select the destination for the project output, so I'm going to choose, in this particular case, our media folder, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick a folder. If there's no folder here, you maybe want to make a new one. But let's just make a new one here just as a sample. This would be the vStation export to Premiere Pro demo. And we'll use that folder. Select that. And then I say OK. And then all I do is hit Export, and then it'll export the information, everything that we've had here. So I'll hit Export. Okay, so now that we're going to continue on with our migration from vStation to Premiere Pro. So what we're going to do here now is we had already exported the content and metadata through the XML file. So what we're going to do is, now we're in Premiere, we're going to create a new project. We'll just call it the vStation, we'll call it the GHS concert, which is what we're going to be importing here. And I'm going to go to the Edit tab, and I'm going to hit Import Media. And I'm going to go over to where we had put that here. And I'm going to pick out the Premiere, the XML file that was created in vStation. So I open that. Okay, so now it wants to know where the media is. So first of all, we're going to look for the media here. This is the original path. So we're going to go in and we're going to locate first clip 1, which is the first camera, the scene 2, and shot 3. And then it shall find all these others. So let's go ahead and say locate. And I'll show you where you find these. So we're going to go into back into our media, into our export file. Let me open that up. Okay, and we go to our video folder, the project name, which is also the date of the concert. And if we look here, it wants us to go to the performance folder, and we're looking for clip 10. There we go, and we go like that. All right, so now it's going to bring in all those clips. And now there's actually 3 more clips that we have here. These were created in the during the live shoot, and then this was also created after. So we're going to go find those. So we'll find this one first, and I'm going to go locate. Now that's going to be located in the video folder in the output reels, and we'll find that one, and we're looking for a live MP4, and we go there, and that's it. Now that we've imported our project, you can see here if we expand out, we have all the clips for that, the date of the concert, the export or the output reels we created in vStation, the live ones, and the one we also created after the shoot. And then we have two sequences, the one during the live shoot and one during the performance. So just for example, I can take open up, double click the sequence here, and you can see we can play that. And this is during the live shoot. So we now have, as you can see, the cuts have been made already for us. They all have been synchronized. You can see that there. So we play this. Get it near the cut. So now we have this, but if we wanted to change it, we can just simply go into, for example, the rolling tool, and we can just highlight, and then we can just simply change the cut point if we want earlier or later, because we have the original footage here. So now the cut point has been changed. So now we can do all our editing here. Everything has been formatted out for us, synchronized. We have all the clips, everything's cut, and we're ready to go. So that is the way you import a project into Premiere Pro from vStation.